Transform your Nikon Z30 into a professional-grade webcam for your Mac, and elevate your online presence instantly. First things first, you'll need the right cable. Connect your Nikon Z30 to your Mac using a high-quality USB-C cable. Most modern MacBooks and Macs have USB-C ports, so this should be straightforward. Ensure the camera is powered on, and on the camera's playback menu, locate the USB power delivery option and set it to on. This will keep your Z30 charged during longer sessions. Next, head over to the Nikon imaging website on your Mac. Search for the Nikon Webcam utility for macOS. This is crucial software that allows your Z30 to be recognized as a webcam by your Mac's operating system and applications. Download and install it. Following the on-screen prompts, it's a simple installation process, so just click through. Once the utility is installed, open your preferred video conferencing application, such as Zoom, Google Meet, or even FaceTime. Go into the application's video settings and look for the camera or video source option. You should now see Nikon Webcam utility as a selectable option. Choose it, and boom, your Nikon Z30 should now be your active webcam. To fine-tune your video quality, you can often make adjustments directly through the Nikon Webcam utility software if available, or by using the Z30's own menu. Consider using your camera's manual focus or setting your preferred autofocus mode. Experiment with aperture settings on your lens to achieve a pleasing background blur, making you stand out. Ensure your lighting is good for the best results. And there you have it. Your Nikon Z30 is now a high-quality webcam for your Mac, ready to enhance all your video calls and streams. Enjoy the superior image quality.